Even if you see that my KDA is moving, let me tell you something. It's not. It doesn't move. Because I never die. I never die. I always win. Even though this person that I'm fighting now just killed me a minute ago, I didn't die. Because I am immortal. Okay, can I kill her now? Oh my... Holy shit. Almost had her. That's the right approach. Maybe she's dead. Good fight! There you go. Got my revenge. But still, that puts it at 1-1. I should be having 2-1. So I'm gonna stick here, maybe find another kill, another victim. And we will make it a double kill. Maybe a triple. And maybe a penta for those who play League of Legends. I don't. Why would you play League of Legends? Why? Why would you do that to yourself? How dare you? How dare you inflict League of Legends upon yourself? Okay. Maybe I can wait for her and fight her again. Or I can try and find another fight. Ah, there you go. That's another fight. That's a victim. Max is 31. Yeah. Good stats. But he still shall die. Come on. Nice. That's a kill. Nope. Too optimistic. Too optimistic. Again. What? Oh, what the hell was that? Oh man. Okay, maybe we can go for a triple. I don't think this guy is willing to fight me, but I can try nevertheless. Though I don't know what he would be maxing. He's 76 strength. Or, as you might call it, strengthetes. Dude, why are you confused? I fight people 7 levels above me, 10 levels above me, whatever, all the time. I mean, 10 levels is a bit too much, but, you know, it's like it doesn't matter that much. I have low food. He's getting harassed by the skeleton. Die. Let me try and get this triple. That would be insane. Oh! I wasn't even using prayer. Oh my god, is he gonna die now? Oh man. Absolutely marvelous. And I'm still here fighting. Let me attack this guy. I don't care. Maybe we can get a quadra kill. But I'm gonna make a run for it pretty soon though. Because I'm very low in food. Oh, I'm safing. Why am I safing? That's rude. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna make a run for it very soon. Be nice though. Just that my scimitar needs to hit something. Risk it. I gotta run, I gotta run. Please don't die. I almost died. Okay, that's how you get a triple kill. Quite nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please. Ah.